Okay, we're here at Westwood Hills Park, and basically for today's video we're just going to talk about like native species, all the various plants that are here, and talk about pollinators and what other living species do within the park.
Okay, so we have just encountered an invasive species, the eucalyptus tree. They are very prominent in California, however they are not native and they are very invasive to California. They grow to be very tall, as you can see, and they live synergistically.
Okay, so we're walking through Westwood Hills and we just noticed that there's a lot of biodiversity. This is, I think, an oak tree, and it's cool to see how there's oak trees, eucalyptus trees, poison oak, and a bunch of various different plants that other animals thrive off of. Some plants that we observed on our walk were species of rubus, French brooms, and as well as Allegheny blackberries.
We noticed that when you walk down or up and down the trail, you can see that water has sort of imprinted on the ground, showing that runoff has run down the trails, and that shows how human activities, by making this trail, have caused erosion and runoff to go down.
Okay, so we've been hiking for a little bit, and we've seen a couple of these bins, which I wanted to point out because it's nice that they have those here, so that way people don't just like leave their trash or leave, like, maybe people use plastic water bottles instead of reusable ones, and they can just toss them in here instead of just leaving them out in the open.
On the trail there's a wide variety of habitats and ways animals try to make their home. Right here we found a burrow for some sort of animal. It could be like a ground squirrel or a snake, but we're not really sure.
Okay, as we make our hike up the hill, we observe a lot of sedimentation. There's a lot to see on the ground here, and we're almost at the top. We made it to the top, and you can see pretty much the half side of Napa. But the hike was fun.
At the top we found this sign, and it says "Leave it better," which we think implies that it's good to visit the natural beauties that we have in Napa and in the world, but it's important to make sure that we don't leave a print when we visit. So that means, like Sophia said earlier, recycling your garbage, getting rid of it so none of it ends up here, so we can maintain the natural beauty that Napa has. We are now at the native plant garden at the starting point of Westwood Hills, and here we see milkweed, which is a type of plant in which many butterflies eat, and sometimes they will only eat it, including the monarch butterfly caterpillars. So they are very important to keep biodiversity present because many species rely on them for their food source.
Okay, so as we're walking more towards, like throughout the garden, you can see that behind me right here and right in front over here, there's some native California poppies, which I think they made a law that it's illegal to take them because they want to keep them, you know, as dispersed as possible. And then there's also this bush right here that I don't know if you can see all the bees like flying around it, pollinating it. But if you take one of the flowers and they're in season, they have honey in them and you can actually like eat it. And they're actually really good. I tried them, but there's no honey. But that's some of the plants that are in the garden.